So in today's video, I'm going to tell you my yesterday trading, which is on the pound dollar. So the pound dollar, I opened a sell position, short position. So in this today's video, I'm going to talk with you what happened in the market, what happened in the trade, what went good, what went wrong. Well, actually, it's going to be what went wrong most of the time because I lose in this trade. So in this video, you will learn something. You will learn something that from my mistakes, so you are not going to repeat my mistake in your trading journey. So before we go to chart, before I explain, my name is Alex. I'm from FundYourFX, technical analyst from FundYourFX. And before we go to chart, please take a note for this message. We have just released our new community platform, which we call FundYourFX Community Hub. And by joining today, you will earn 500 points for free. And by being active in our chat, you will earn some coin too. And by gathering up some coin, you can get a discount and redeem it for the discount for your future funding challenges. So what are you waiting for? Join now today. The link is in description that you can join and earn 500 points for free. And let's get back to the video. Okay, as usual, I use my 4-hour time frame as my major time frame where I look the basically where I look the trend itself. So on the 4-hour time frame, we see that the price made some consolidation or sideways momentum. But when we look here, there is a break. There is a change of characters that we have to look for when the price signal a trend reversals. So my first mistake is here because I'm not taking a note or anything on this price action because I thought that this price action itself is a minor one, not a major one. So I skip it. The actual, in my eyes yesterday, the actual change of character happened here. So I was late. So the change of character is here, not here. It should be here in the first small one. But because I have mistakenly looked at the chart, so I'm late. Then I choose the change of character is here. Then I have plotted the change of characters, which came in the red line. I've plotted the demand. I've plotted the supply zone for the price will likely to reject, and I've come to the conclusion that this small piece area will become our demand zone. Supply zone. So it rejected nicely. If it rejected nicely, this was my trigger, right? This was my trigger. It should be here, the last one, not the second one. Okay, not the freshest one. Because if you want to look closely, the price already made another change of characters. That's my first mistake. I have mistakenly see that this small price action was minor, not major. But actually, if you want to look here, it was the major movement. The minor movement should be like this, okay? Just very small swing. This one is pretty big swing. I have mistaken here. Then I move to 30 minutes time frame. I want to see if there is a trend alignment or if there is some of another change of characters here so that I can enter based on the trend alignment methodology that I have created, or you can call it as the change of character trading technique. So I came to the 30-minute time frame. Wait, let me check it first on the 4-hour chart. So the 4-hour chart, my entry point will be at around this candle, okay? 14 May 2025, that will be my entry point. This is the reason why I entered here, okay? Let me delete this first. so you can see it nicely, see it clearly. Then, okay, I have plotted another change of character. Look at here. See, it was like this. Then it was pretty nice change of character because it formed a head and shoulder pattern. And the rejection, I mean, in this supply, this basic formation supply is rejected by the price action after the change of character. Okay, this was the change of character. I mentioned it before. This is the change of characters. Wait, like add change of characters. Okay, this is the change of character. Well, some people want to see the boss, the break of structure, as its confirmation that the trend is aligned or the trend is already on a transition. But for me, if I want to catch the price more early in my strategy, it's good when you want to have enter based on after the change of character retracement. Okay, so I entered here, I entered short here, let me see. Okay, I entered short here. My stop loss will be on the last previous resistance, and my take profit point, I will look at the 4-hour chart because the 4-hour chart is our major. You have to set your take profit on the major time frame if you are a swing trader like me. So almost. Oh no. Okay, wait. Let me change. Was here, I think. Yeah. So my take profit will be on the last part. This is my first take profit, and the second take profit will be on the range of this demand zone. Here you are. I will mark it for you so you can see it clearly. Here you are, the demand zone as our final take profits. So I set it to my first take profit to be safe, and then I move to the another 30 minutes time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, well, the price move in the like consolidation, but the consolidation itself made a flat pattern like this. Very small, teeny tiny candle. At first, it was great, by the way. At first, it was great because I profited quite a bit. Because the price have entered this my trading point, my trading open position. So I was profited a bit, but after the price make a break of structure, not really a valid one, because it was a false break. You see here the candle in the body of the candle itself couldn't break lower than the change of character. Of course, it still can be mentioned as the break of structure, but I don't want to see this kind of movement because it was like a fake out, you know. Okay, then I see the break of structure. I feel like, okay, this good. This price action will be working because of obviously we have break of structure in our entry time frame. But you see here, the price failed. The price hit my stop loss. This is because earlier in this video I've mentioned that I have seen the wrong structure. Okay, if I was entered here, okay, let me delete this. Sure. If I was entered here in this price movement here, okay, let me zoom it in to the lower time frame so you can see it more clearly what I mean. Okay, in the 30-minute time frame, we see that here when price came up, retrace on the demand, I mean in the supply zone, the price make a based draw formation. So I I will enter here, but I'm not entered here because I see a different prospect, different thing in the market, different angle in the market, so that I have mistaken not seeing this as the major movement. So that's my mistake, and that's why I lost my another $600 after the $400 loss. So total will be $1,000. Yeah, $1,000 in this week. It's okay, just a learning. Let's say study case, maybe loss for study case. Well, actually, if you are trading and you are never going to learn about more in-depth look on the market or your strategy, probably you will not going to earn so much money because you limit yourself. You are not wanting yourself to be outside your comfort zone, so that it can create you more lower risk than the higher risk and the higher reward scenario. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today's video is quite a bit different than yesterday, because yesterday I talked about daily market outlook, weekly market outlook. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe, and drop a comment below so that I can get an idea that you love this kind of video. And don't forget to follow our Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube so that you can get this kind of content, daily content, weekly content, and many more content that I will produce in this channel. Okay, and see you tomorrow, and bye bye.